Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, let's take a look at where we currently are. We are still here primarily focusing on the bullish scenario. Of course, there is a bearish scenario as well that I sometimes show you. At the moment though, as long as we are above $19,500 or at least above 20,700, yeah, more importantly above 19,500 though, as long as we are above these levels, the bearish scenario doesn't really need to be in the focus at the moment. These are the levels that need to hold, and against these levels we can currently focus on higher prices because we can count impulsive waves to the upside, and so far it is adhering quite well to the bullish scenario. So we have tagged here again the this channel resistance. Yeah, so this is something where we seem to be struggling to get through. This is not only the channel resistance, that the ascending trend line, it is also here this red resistance box, which is still of very, very high relevance, that range above 23 to 23.3k. Now again, if I set the bullish scenario, at the moment we still need, even though it's adhering very well to the bullish wave count, but we still need to allow for both options. So having a bias is not very useful at the moment. Yeah. Yes, what I'm telling you is that slightly more likely is, based on my analysis, the bullish scenario, but there is no guarantee at this stage. And I have to say that very clearly. We are, and even if we get into an uptrend, which is not entirely clear, I mean a sustainable uptrend, even then at the moment the situation is quite unclear. And we are in the very early stages. I still need to remind everybody, we are in the very, very early stages of a possible uptrend that could, if all goes well and if we get back into a bull run, that could take us way above 100k. It could also a bear market rally. Which of these it is, we don't know yet. That will unfold, and as soon as we get more evidence in the Elliott Wave patterns, we will know, or at least we will be able to say in which scenario we are. At the moment, we are still focusing on the bullish scenario here more, because we haven't broken to the downside of these key levels yet. And as long as we hold these, we can focus carefully on higher levels. Now, we have made or completed already this wave 1. We've completed this wave 2. We are now in the wave 3 in pink, which will be somewhere up here, probably above 30k. Within the wave 3, we have completed a wave 1 in yellow, a wave 2 in yellow, and we could now be in this third wave in yellow. Target for that would be around 29.5k. Within the third wave, we have possibly now completed a first wave. Now, this is still the same wave count that I showed you in the earlier video today. At the time, there was no evidence that wave 1 here, or wave 5 of wave 1 was complete. We now have some evidence. We have some evidence in that we dropped back below this ascending trend line here. We haven't made a new swing low. Well, we have here. Yeah, we made a new swing low as well. So it could be that we are now on our way into this wave 2 area that I already put on the chart before. So pretty much the wave count that I put on the video previously today is still of relevance, and we are currently following it very nicely. What I want to show you again is where we could now retrace to, assuming wave 1 is finished and we are now getting down in wave 2. We should get into the region between 22.4k. That is sort of the minimum I would expect in this wave 2, all the way down to 21.7k. Yes, it can go lower, but ideally we want to hold the golden ratio here, the 61.8% fib level. So between 21,755 and 22,500. Keep an eye on that. That could be another reversal point here to the upside. If we don't get at least to 22.4k, for me that would indicate that wave 5 here wasn't finished yet. So that if we now go above 23.4k and push higher to the next resistance, which would be here the wave B high at 23.7, then I would say wave 5 was probably not finished yet. So that's currently where we are at. I would expect, at least I would be on high alert for a retracement down into wave 2. And afterwards, and that is the interesting wave, yeah, after that wave 2 retracement, we could get into wave 3 of a wave 3. And I mean, I can outline where that might take us. These are all assumptions at the moment, because we don't know yet if wave 1 is finished, and we don't know where wave 2 will exactly end. We can make some assumptions based on probabilities, and based on that we can calculate a target for the wave 3 of 3. So we take the length of that wave 1, let's say we go down to the golden ratio, then a target for that wave 3 to the upside should take us to 26.2k. That's what I would be looking out for. So let's say we get down into this range, then we move up. We have to get through this resistance area again, above 23 to 23.3k. Then we will have here the wave B high to deal with at 23.7, and then the wave 1 high on the left hand side of 24.2, and then we can get to 26.2. Yeah, so this is what would need to happen in a bullish scenario. Should we drop again below this red area here, yeah, then the bearish scenario will go into focus more, and it will get much more likely below 20.7k. Yeah, that's a quick summary here about the Bitcoin chart. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.